Hello. Welcome to today's tutorial on the XFOOT Opcode in IBM RPGLE. In this video, we'll learn how to use XFOOT to sum up elements in a numeric array. Let's dive right in with an example. We have an array named ARR2 declared. This array has 5 elements with the following values: 201, 205, 203, 202, and 204. Our goal is to calculate the sum of all elements in ARR2 using the XFOOT opcode and display the result. Here, ARR2 is a numeric array with each element having a length of 3 digits and 0 decimal places. The dim5 specifies the array dimension as 5, and CT-data PERRCD1 indicates that the array can have a variable number of elements up to 5. The XFOOT opcode iterates through the elements of ARR2 and sums them up, storing the resultant sum, which is defined as a 4-digit integer. We concatenate a message with the sum using eval and %CHARSUM. DSBLY then displays the concatenated message. After running the program, the output displayed on the screen will be sum of elements in ARR2 equals 1015. In this tutorial, we've covered how to use the XFOOT opcode to sum up elements in a numeric array on IBM I. Remember, XFOOT is handy for quickly calculating totals in arrays without needing explicit loops. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the XFOOT opcode in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming tasks. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IBM I programming insights. Happy coding!